We were responsible for just framing out action goals that we can actually implement back in our organization. So what we are doing, what we will be doing now is we'll be sharing goals of another organization. Right? So what they decided on is, the first thing is to set personal or individual goals for students. So that's, I think, linked to what Melvin was also talking about, personalized education for students. Creating a framework to strategies to be planned for flexible learning among students. So given opportunity so that they're able to learn what they want. And the third one is to call in professionals or like subject matter experts or resource people who can be invited based on the syllabus to just further help students learn that way. So that's what Janaki did.
First of all, I would just like to thank everyone and Sumit for giving us this opportunity to come and speak over here today. And I'm standing here on behalf of JBCM School, and they have shared 3 promises. The first one being redefining failure for the students so that they are able to derive their own goals and achieve them. Second, refining the attitude of the teachers. And the third, refining the attitude of the parents. Thank you.
Hi, I'm going to be talking about Shanti Niketan, and I believe what you all are putting together is something just phenomenal. A completely take on every single thing that we have shared in the last, or you have shared with us in the last 1.5 days. What they definitely want to work on are these 3 goals. The first one being creating parent-teacher association. Reason being, the children that come in the school truly follow the equality that we spoke about, and therefore the children across the stratas of the society that are part of their student body. So parents there then of course have their challenges in terms of dealing with teachers, language barriers, etc. So they wish to build a stronger parent-teacher association. The second one is enrollment, new school. So obviously the drive and the desire to spread wings across and get more children to benefit from their lovely plans. And lastly, professional development for the teachers. Again, what is wonderful, I thought, was this that they've hired from local, across the village that they are a part of, and therefore important then to build them to a level where they can excel in what they're there for. So lovely, I think, and truly inspired by what you guys are doing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am here to speak about the HR department of Bombay Cambridge Gurukul, what they have planned for their school. Work with management principles on setting goals linked to mission and develop deeper understanding of the goals. Develop a vision for the programs offered to students, parents and educators. Thank you.
Hi, I'm representing my group. We're about 4 or 5 of us. I'm from Amnesty International and we do a human rights education program. So the 3 things that I'm going to take back is introduce the concept of the school as a team among all the trainings that we do, because I think that's a very powerful concept. The second concept is introduce this idea of communities of learning in all the human rights programs that we do. And the third one is introduce the process that has been the process of this forum as well, of taking individual action points. So each person deciding for themselves what they're going to do. That is a good learning for me, which I'm going to take back. I'll be speaking on behalf of the others as well. So Dr. Naz, who's from Oriental College of Education and Research, she will ensure a stress-free learning environment among all the students. That's the first thing that she's going to do. The second one is introduce creative, innovative approaches to teaching to motivate her students. Those are 2 things that Dr. Naz is going to do. Sharmishta Bardhan from Pinnacle High International School, she's going to make some methodological changes. She's going to ensure that there's infrastructure, adequate infrastructure for her students. And the third thing is that she's going to ensure that parents play a greater role. Arun Rajni from Universal Education College, he is going to do one big thing, which is involve students to design the learning system in his college. And finally, Deepa Manichal, who is the academic director in 3 low-income schools. The first thing that she's going to do is ensure that there's a better curriculum planning in her school, involve parents in learning, and teaching teachers about technology. So that's from our group. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm on behalf of Mrs. Usha Unnikrishnan from Rajhans. She has promised herself to get their children real-life experiences to be made a part of learning, redefine the word failure, and teamwork to be emphasized. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm speaking on behalf of Aruna Agarwal. She is from Kidsy. She is the principal and the owner of Kidsy. She has taken 3 decisions. The first one is to create a community where the parents, students and the professionals together will synchronize and work together to practice the 5 beyonds suggested by Sir, and then use of technology along with spiritual learning as well as the basic life skills, so that it helps in the overall growth of the child. And the third she would like to do is be the change which she wants to find in us, to see in others, making learning a natural process rather than a burden for the children. Thank you so much.